Es un placer para mí estar hoy en esta
My Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say it just happen. The National Working Committee of All Progressive Congress don come zone the leadership of the 10th National Assembly as a yarn say Senator Godswill Akpabio from South say na him go be Senate President, while the Deputy Senate President go come from Northwest wey name be Senator Barau Jibrin, and the Speaker of House of Representatives from Northwest will be Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, and Deputy Speaker from Southeast will be Honorable Ben Kallo. One young man wey name be Ogunleye Gbenga Moses wey just graduated from Department of Philosophy from the Adekunle Ajasin University Akungba Akoko don come kpai for inside im room wey dey for off campus as dem see im dead body for inside im room. Some vigilantes dem for inside Kogi State don come rescue 134 people dem wey kidnappers dem be kidnap, and according to wetin dem yarn say the kidnappers dem put for inside different kidnappers camp as dem come rescue dem for inside Oduolo Forest for Kogi State and na Sandona inside Nasarawa State, and also from that Abaji and Kwale for inside Abuja na im dem kidnap dem. The former Senate President wey be Senator Ken Nnamani don come talk say im wife wey be Jane Amechi Udewo Nnamani don come kpai at the age of 58 years old, and on Thursday May 4, 2023 for inside one hospital wey dey for Enugu State na im she hospitalized. For on top this video, we say they see some military men there where they flog some civilians them as the content they made them enter inside Gota. As one girl we come the video them now, so the military people they come they challenge the girl. See why in the video them can't even tell the girl. Say make she lie down for inside the Gota.
Who you talking to? I'm calling my friend. Who? Okay, wait, my mom is calling me.
Who is calling? Off the phone. Off the phone. I said off the phone.
That's
lie down. Lie down. Lie down inside. Lie down. I said lie down. Lie down inside. No go lie down.
Okay, wait.
Lie.
The Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC don come ask the United States of America say make dem send back the 3 suspects dem wey dey for inside their country wey deceive one small girl use am come act one blue film wey oyibo dey call the child pornography, and the names of the suspects dem na Samson Ogoshi, Samuel Ogoshi, and Ezekiel Ejema. The APC governorship candidate will be former governor of Osun State wey name be Gboyega Oyetola, and the current governor of Osun State of PDP will be Ademola Adeleke for inside Osun State. They don dey hope to win for the Supreme Court today as they go talk the final judgment who go win for the July 16, 2022 governorship election for inside Osun State. The Ogbonge Nollywood actor wey name be Kanayo Kanayo aka Nnanyi Ritualist don come dey hate Tiwa Savage for her performance on top the coronation concert of King Charles III. As him come dey yarn, he say nobody ask her if she from any state. Say they just call her say she be Nigeria. Say but for inside Nigeria here, na who dey try dey ask whether this person na from so state or for so state. Come dey advise Nigeria say make we change the mind wey we take dey think.
Did you see Tiwa Savage performing at the coronation concert, Keys to the Kingdom? She was looking radiant, charismatic. Nobody asked her whether she was from Delta State or Lagos State or any other part of Nigeria. She was just a Nigerian. If it's in Nigeria, what religion does she belong to? Which state does she come from? We need to have a rethink.
This Nigerian lady wey dey school for abroad don come dey yarn about one of her classmates wey 2 of them go the same university. As she come yarn, say anytime we say their school dey for break, dem dey holiday. Say the girl papa go tell the girl make she come back Nigeria for holiday. Na so the papa go just carry the girl go hospital to go test run her if true she still be virgin.
So I have this classmate right in university. Every summer break, her dad will make sure she comes back to Nigeria. What was really weird was that every time she came back home, he takes her straight to the hospital, to the gynecologist, for them to check to make sure that she's a virgin.
Calabar police for inside Saudi Arabia don come arrest 4 members of gang, 3 Saudi men and 1 Nigerian dem wey be say their work na to dey carry cooking dey enter inside Saudi Arabia dey sell am. Wahala for third this video where they see the ogbonge Nigerian singer who be Portable aka Zazu as he go climb the thrust pool where they use to set light when he make a con dey dance on top the pool. And this gbege happen during the Fuji singer will be Suleiman Malaika aka KS1 for his 50th birthday party when he do for inside Lagos on Sunday May 7th 2023. The ogbonge Argentine footballer will be Lionel Messi don win the 2023 Laureus World Sportsman of the Year and na the second time win in the winner. Now BishopNewso'clock, my name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.